Now this is another one, it is here. Now you see root referencing, or you can say that sibling referencing it is going to be. Now its background.jf is there. To go to this particular location where it is going to start here, now you see double dots is there. Why double dots? To move up to the appropriate level and then use the same technique for the child grandchild directions, okay, directories. So this is a grandchild directory it is going to be. So whenever that you are going to move this, so you have to write like this, okay. So first one directly from the root, first images are there, okay, double dot images. You want to go for this CSS, double dot CSS, that you have to write it. For this members, double dot then members, 3 times that it is going to appear here, okay. Inline text elements are going to be there here. Inline text elements are nothing but on the way that it is going to get executed, on the same line that it is going to execute. Now here there is an example with this image source. Image is the tag, source is its attribute. Source is nothing but a location where that particular file is going to be present. If this file is not present, then this alternate is another attribute. So it is going to say that Central Park. The title of that particular image is there, that is Central Park. Width and height is also going to be mentioned. Now you see how many attributes are there for the image. Okay, there is a source is there, alternate is there, title is there, width is there, height is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 attributes for one image. That is a tag. So like this, n number of things are going to be there. So you can able to decorate for all these things. For what purpose? Decoration. That's it. Okay. So HTML is there for decoratively, that you are going to represent your data onto the users. So what it is saying in this is, this is a source file. If this file is not there, this Central Park it is going to be written, and title of that above the Central Park will be written. And there is that the height and width of that particular image is 80 and 40. That particular thing, the pixels that it is going to be represented, that data. There is a list are there. Lists are there are 2 types of lists again. Okay, and that is a unordered list and ordered list. In unordered list, what happens basically? It is going to be written in the form of output is being shown here. Okay, dotted things will be there. Okay, so you see UL is nothing but an unordered list. Then there is a LI is there. LI is nothing but a list index. Okay, list index. Again here also you can able to create the hyperlinks. So here you see there's a hyperlink is created with the index.html. Then home is there. Closing of anchor tag, then closing of LI. There's a list index. Hence only it has been other format, that is blue line and with the link that it has been appeared. Others you see same LI is there, about us, products, then contact. It's been written in simple manner, right? And closes here. So whenever this is going to execute, this program is going to execute, it will be look like this. Okay, right? Next, order lists. Order lists are nothing but the list again. List index is there. Okay, then after list index again 3 list indexes. That is 3 list indexes are there here. LI because OL is there. 1, 2, 3 is being written. Now you see this is nothing but a ladder. Ladder or nesting of elements. Okay. Now you see here what's happening is 3 LIs. Then under the LI OL is there. It's already under the list, order list. Again there is one more LI which contains another list, order list. Okay, so here methodology, results, discussions, it has been written. Then after it closes, OL closes here, then this LI closes here. The complete this one is called as one LI. Okay, because under that so many LIs are going to be present, list indexes are going to be present. Then we have this LI is getting closes here. Then for this third one was there. Then next is fourth one. Fourth is conclusion that has been written. Then after OL. So what happens basically is when you run this program, output is going to be looks like this. Okay. Where you want to run all these programs, just you copy paste this one in the notepad, save it as .html and run in any browser, that it is going to looks like this. The output is going to look like this. HTML semantic elements it is going to be here. Semantic elements HTML versus XHTML versus HTML5. Now wherever that is been written here, div and all these things, headers and all these things. Okay, so in the HTML5 specifically it is being grouped. That is the advantage of HTML5 versus XHTML. Now you see here, there is a header itself is a tag is there, but in the case of this one there is no header tag. In XHTML there is no header tag, but in this HTML5 header tag is there. The same header tag is written in other manner here. Now you see div id header. Under this we have written the header, but here directly we can able to write it. Header group. Then under that header group is there. Navigation is there. These are the functionalities directly it is available. Then after there is a section, article. Okay. Section is a div function. It is going to be. Div function is called as now here in this section. Okay, but still div function is also going to work in this. Then after we have figure. Okay, figure fig is there. Sorry, image is there here. No, there is no figure in this. img is there, but here figure is there. Okay, so separately that is being mentioned. Under that image also is going to work. Whatever the HTML5 is there, all the descendants of that it is going to work. All the tags are going to work in this also. Okay. Then there is a aside and sections about div and all these things are going to be present in HTML5. Individually that it is being shown in this. What is that heading, group and navigations and all these things. Header groups is going to contain that H group will go on to call. So it is going to be used for the applications where heading is going to be specially is mentioned in that. Header is there, then article, under that header groups are going to be present. Again, you see H2, H1, H1, H2, H3, all these things are going to be same. Only thing is that they will be going to describe in the format, that is under the new tag. Navigation, so list indexes are there. Okay, then we have navigation is purpose of navigation is that just to scroll it. Okay, just to go to that particular points and all these things. Whenever you are moving it, there is nothing but navigation it is. So nav tag is going to get created for that. That's it. You see inside this the same it is HTML tags it is, right? Article, section, div, figure and aside. So what these things are basically. Article is nothing but is a section of that contains the forms, independent part of the document. Margins will be there, magazines, okay, newspaper articles. So you'll be going to see the blogs and all these things. You'll be going to see it. Those things are going to be mentioned separately. There is an article. Under the article, you can write anything. Okay, so you can use all the tags that is going to be accepted. The section is a separate wing. It is going to be again. Okay, represents a section of the document, one particular way that it is being written. Okay, separately it is being written. The heading is going to be there. That is a section. It is going to be. Okay. Then we have div. Already we know about that. Element used for styling purposes, that is going to be used div. Figure, it should be used for the wrapping of images. So directly you can use image, but under the tag of figure that we are going to use it. Aside is similar to figure. It is figure element used for the markup language, separate from the main content of the page. Separately that it is being mentioned. It is the figure only, but it is separately it is being mentioned apart from the main content. Aside, again it is saying that sidebars are going to be there, pull quotes will be there. Okay, those things are going to be called as asides. We have already seen this one. Again, it is being repeated here. Okay, the paragraph is there. This particular paragraph is going to be written here on the top. Figure that is being used now. Okay, and figure caption. This is another one. Okay, figure caption. If you write directly, that it is going to be considered